All right, so you can just park here in our driveway, and then to enter, we're not going to go to the front of the house. We're going to go to the back of the house. We don't use our front door. So you come up onto the deck. And the entrance will be here. Now this is not locked. This door has no lock. It's just this piece of wood to open up. And that's how you get in. And when you keep this door, if you want to keep this door open in the day, for example, just keep this propane tank so the door doesn't bang around. So you'll enter through our mudroom and then through the sliding door. And if you want to lock yourself in at night, this latch works. So that's your lock. All right, so here's the kitchen. It's an electric stove. Pretty straightforward. Sink, this kind of stuff. And microwave. Refrigerator. And you have your first aid kit, fire extinguisher, a smoke alarm. There's a smoke alarm there. I'm crazy about smoke alarms. They're everywhere. And then you have, and if you want heat in the kitchen, it's electric heat. It's just this knob. So just turn that knob, I believe clockwise. Yeah, clockwise for heat. And there's numbers. Then, this is the living room / sleeping area. So, TV. And as far as heat is concerned, you'll either use the electric heater or the propane. In the warmer time of the year, like now, we're just going to use the electric. Set the temperature for what you want. And if it's the colder months, we're going to have this propane going. It's just this always is on, like there's a little pilot light. So it's just a matter of turning this typically to like 2 to 3 is comfortable. And maybe when you sleep, maybe like 1.5. But never turn it off, because if it goes off, it's hard to relight. So anyway, but we're not using that right now. There's the bed. This is the front door. We've had some problems with it. It's just not in the best condition, let's say. So we don't use that door. That's why it's kind of not in play. And don't worry, this camera system is not hooked up right now. And even if it was, it just monitors outside. And then you have your bathroom. Very simple, straightforward bathroom. If you want heat for the bathroom, it's this floor one. But turn it on like a good 10 minutes before you're ready, because it's kind of slow to heat up. And then this is your shower, and just follow my directions. Turn all the way for cold. So these things are wrong. So when you start, it's hot, and as you turn it, it gets cold. So that's it, my friend. Enjoy your stay.